This is many times asked question in CET and COMEDK. The determinant is given to find the correct answer among the options. Better you substitute some simple values of A, B and C's, then verify the answer. So let us take A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 1. Then given determinant becomes B square C square, 1 square into 1 square, that is 1, B into C, that is also 1, C square A square, that is also 1, CA 1, A square B square, that is also 1, B into A, this is also 1. Now whatever it may be, that is 2. Since two identical columns is equal to, value will be 0. Two identical columns. Okay, so answer is B. You need not compute the last. So the given determinant is this one. The value of this determinant is among the 1 among the 4. See here also, if you try by direct method, that requires a lot of time. So better take simple values of x, y, z. You can take any value x, y, z. Suppose that is equal to 1. One of the advantage of taking 1 is here x minus y will become 0, y minus z become 0, z minus x become 0. So all the elements of last row are 0, means ultimately the value will be 0. So option A is the correct answer. So taking x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1 implies whatever may be the first two rows, last row will become 0. So answer will be 0. Answer is A. Elements of last row is 0. Value of the determinant also. See here, this determinant sin alpha cos alpha, sin alpha plus delta, sin beta cos beta, sin beta plus delta, and sin gamma cos gamma, sin gamma plus delta. The value of this determinant is, I did not write the options. Okay. See here, if you see this carefully, and if you write delta is equal to 0, what happens? This will become sin alpha, sin beta and sin gamma. So that is nothing but first row. Two identical columns implies the value will be 0. So put delta is equal to 0 implies sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma. So middle term I don't write, that remains as it is, sin beta, sin gamma. So this is equal to 0 as identical columns. Okay, the value will be this. If x, y and z are real numbers, then 5 raised to x, 5 raised to minus x plus whole square 5 raised to x minus 5 raised to minus x whole square and 1. Similarly x 6 and 7 numbers. You are asked to find the value. 4 options. I did not wrote the options. Here also, if you put x is equal to 0, what happens? When x is equal to 0, so this is 5, 1 plus 1 whole square, x raised to 5 raised to 0, 5 raised to 0. Similarly, this is 1 minus 1 whole square and 1. So this also 1 plus 1 whole square, and this will become 0 and 1. This is again 2 square, this is 0, this is 1. So this is 4 0 1 4 0 1 4 0 1. So if you take 4 common, okay, from each row, that is 4 cube, whatever it may be, that is 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. So this will be 0. Again identical columns. Say this is JEE Main 2015 question. Here also let us apply substitution technique. You can take x is equal to 0. What happens? If you take x is equal to 0, here a into x, this term will vanish. We can't get the solution. So you can't take x is equal to 0. Now let us take x is equal to 1. You may get some value, you can arrive at the solution. But to make it more simpler, let us consider x is equal to minus 1. What happens? 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. And minus 3. Okay. So first two elements of the first row are 0, so that our calculation will be more simpler. Better take x is equal to minus 1. Then you get x here 0, 0 and minus 3. Here 2 plus 3 minus 1. 2 plus 3, that is 4, isn't it? So 2 plus 3, 5, minus 2 it is. Minus 3 minus 1 plus 2. So minus 2, this is minus 3 and minus 6, and 1 minus 2 plus 3, that is plus 2, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, and this is minus 2 minus 3. So this is equal to minus 3 times, this is 6 plus 6, is equal to this much, a into minus 1 minus 12, that is minus 36 is equal to minus a minus 12, or minus a is equal to minus 24, or a is equal to plus 24. So B is the correct answer. This is also asked question. A is 2541, a square minus 3a. If you solve this by direct method, that is time consuming. The trick is one rule is there, that is a square minus trace of A into A plus determinant of AI is equal to 0. So A square, sorry. This is the rule. Trace means the sum of the principal diagonal elements. So A square minus 3A plus determinant of A is 18i. 2 minus 20 minus 18i is equal to 0. Therefore, A squared minus 3A is equal to 18i. So, B is the answer. If A is this 3 into 3 matrix, what is the adjoint of A? 4 options were given. I did not write directly. Let us write the answer. See, here also, if you apply the rule, that is by finding minor cofactors and all, then transpose. See, better you apply the trick so that you can solve after some practice. You can solve within some 5 to 10 seconds. So, how to find adjoint by using trick is, write the matrix 1 0 0 as it is, 5 2 0 minus 1 6 and 1. Again you write this first row 1 5 minus 1, okay, and second row 0 2 and 6. Again this you have to write this column, okay. Again the first row and second row 1 0 0 1 0, second row 5 2 0 5 and 2. You got it? Now just round off this first row and first column. Don't consider that. Then consider these two. See here, be careful. 2 into 1 minus 6 into 0. 2 minus 0. That right along the row. Now consider this 2 into 2 matrix. 6 into 0, 1 into 0. 6 into 0 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0. Again these two. 0 into 0, 2 into 0. 0 minus 0. Now this row, second and third, 0 into minus 1, 1 into 5, 0, okay, 1 into 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 0 minus 0. Now 30 plus 2, 1, this is 0 minus 6, 2 minus 5. So the answer is, required adjoint is 2 0 0 minus 5 1 0 32 minus 6 and minus 3. This is the, you can verify this by the direct method also. While finding inverse of a square matrix of order 3 into 3 is also helpful. You can apply this for higher order matrix also. So this is the required answer. See here, This is the another example. The given determinant value among the four, you have to identify the correct option. See, here also we have to go for shortcut method, that is by substitution. So A is equal to, let us take B is equal to C is equal to 1. Then given determinant becomes, this is 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 3 and minus 1. So minus 1 and 3. Now expand this. The value of this determinant becomes 3 into 9 minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 3 minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 into plus 1 plus 3, that is 4 plus 1 plus 3. So this is equal to 3 into 8 minus 4 minus 4, that is 24 minus 8 is 16. So you have to search among this. This cannot be minus 16 because this is 3 cube. This is 3 cube and this cannot be the answer. This is 2 into 2 into 2. So that is 16. So C is the correct answer. Consider this example. The four options and determinant are given. Here also by substitution method, x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1. If you put the simple value for x, y, z, then 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1 and 2. The value of the determinant is 4, 1 into 4 minus 1 minus 1 into 2 minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 2. This is 3 minus 1 minus 1 is equal to plus 1. So which is plus 1? This cannot be plus 1. This will be 2, cannot be plus 1. 1 square into 1 square into 1 square. So C is the correct answer. Okay.